In this video, we're going to have a look at how to change the sale percentage. So we're going to head over here. I'm just going to activate the sale percentage function, reset, and you'll see now that it says sale 10% as opposed to just on sale. Here it just says sale because it's a variation in the product, and so it's not sure what the percentage will be, and it could vary depending on the variation, but it does still indicate that it's on sale. If there's a percentage available, it'll insert the percentage. I'm going to head back, and now I'm going to just disable that, and we'll head back to the website, and we'll be back to the default percentage, and now we're going to change that. So back over here to my snippets, let's add a new one. So we'll add new, and we'll call it the WooCommerce sale percentage 2. So you can call it whatever you want, and then of course we have our function, in this case by underscore sales underscore percentage. Right, that's all we need to get the basics of the function in place, and then I'm going to save and activate. So that's what we're going to do, and in this case we're actually going to access another filter from WooCommerce, which has been made for the to display the sales percentage or to change it. So let's add the filter, and the filter that we're going to enter here is going to be the WooCommerce sale flash. So WooCommerce underscore sale underscore flash, and then we just insert the name of our function, and right, and there we're done. So that's the basics for this particular function. Now we're starting to get a little bit more technical. So what we need to do now is pull in the variables from WooCommerce that we're going to be filtering, and the variables that we're going to be pulling in are HTML. Then we're going to look at the post, and we're also going to look at product. So we're going to use a combination of these now to determine what to do with the sale price. So the first thing that we're going to do is get the regular price, because we need to work out the percentage. So to get the regular price, it's regular underscore price will be equal to, and to get the regular price, it's going to be product, because we now have access to the product variable, and it's get underscore regular underscore price, and we then have access to the regular price. Now we need to get the sale price, so the sale underscore price, and that will be equal to, once again, product, and there we're going to get underscore sale underscore price. Right, so now we have the regular price and the sale price, and now we need to do a little bit of maths. First thing we want to make sure is that there is actually a price, a sale price. We don't want to start doing all this hard work when the sale price doesn't exist. So let me just get this done the right way here. Right, so basically we're going to then look at this if statement. If something, then do something. So if the and we're going to say empty and sale underscore price. So this is a PHP function, and we're basically saying, in this case, we're saying if it's empty. Now we're going to say if, and we're going to put in an exclamation mark, and that basically says if it's not empty, or, and here we're going to look at the sale underscore price is not equal to 0, just in case that might have been something that could have happened. So we're only going to apply this now if one of those two conditions are true, and then we're going to work out the percentage. So the percentage is going to be equal to, and we're going to use the function from PHP called round to round the numbers up, and we're going to look at 100. So now we're going to calculate the percentage, less, and that's going to be the sale price, and that'll be divided by the regular underscore price and multiplied by 100. So there you can see you've got the percentage is equal to the round 100 minus sale price divided by regular price times 100. And then what we're going to do is just add to the end of that, because we're returning. Now we're going to just add on at the end of that the percentage sign, so that the percentage sign will now be displayed at the end of the percentage that we've calculated. Now we need to enter the return value. So now we return. So what are we returning? Now we'll remember that we did have some text like sale and then a percentage. So we need to construct that, the exact wording that we want to use. So we're going to say, let's wrap it in a span class. So span, and the class, we can use our own class here once again. So, or we can use the standard class, which is on sale. So I'm just going to use the standard class, but if you want to, you can actually go as far as creating your own class here. The on sale is the default WooCommerce class. Then we're going to add to that, and what we're doing here is just escape underscore HTML, and that's just for security reasons to clean up the text that we're going to be outputting, and the output will be sale, and then comma, and then the theme or domain name. So I'm just, or it should be theme name, I'm just going to put in WooCommerce, and then dot, and now we're going to add a space. So we're going to say sale space, then we're going to say percentage. So that's the percentage that we constructed earlier, and then we're going to close the span. Right, so let's just scroll over there. So basically we're going to return a value wrapped in a span class. So let's put the closing span in properly, and we're going to say escape HTML to make sure that there's no funny characters or scripting, sale space, the percentage, and of course that'll be the percentage with that percentage icon. Right, with all that in place, I'm just going to copy first, then save. And that's why I copy first, is just in case exactly something like this happens. So then we go back, we can paste it in, and they said there was an issue with line number 13. So let's just have a look and see, and it appears that we have an additional closing brace. Save again, everything is fine. Make sure that it's active, head over to the website, refresh, and now you'll see the reason for that is over here at the end of our filter, we need to indicate the number of arguments. So I'm going to save, refresh. If it's still doing it, then we need to indicate the priority. So if this does happen to you, that's pretty much all that we need to do then. Save and refresh, and there it is. So just a little bit of troubleshooting there, and you'll see now that the output is sale 10%, which is what we wanted. If I wanted to change that, I can quite easily then come in here and put in something like you save, and we'll save that. And when we head back to the website now, it'll say you save 10% or 15% or whatever it is. So and if I inspect that, you'll see that we're using the standard on sale styling from WooCommerce for this theme. If I wanted to, and I change that, then of course, and I'll just show you how that works. So here where we had on sale, I'll just put on sales, save, and when we go to the website now, then the input is going to be completely different. Right, it just says you save 10%. Obviously, we need to then apply our own styles. but I'm just going to stick here with the default for the purposes of this video, and also then it hooks into the styles default, and if you like it, then there's nothing to change. Right, so there we've successfully managed then to update the percentage. So if we just have a look at that again, we're accessing a WooCommerce filter called the WooCommerce Sale Flash, and to make that work, we're accessing three variables: HTML, post, and product. And we didn't really need to use the post in this case. And yeah, basically then the regular price, the sale price. If there is a sale, if the sale price isn't empty and the value is not equal to 0, then we calculate the percentage and then we return the percentage values. So yeah, that's pretty much how easy it is. And yeah, once again, it'll integrate with any theme that's using the default layout from WooCommerce, allows you to hook in and make some changes. Right, so with that done, yeah, the next video, let's have a look and see what we're going to do. So let's go back to the snippets. So we've looked at the percentage, and perhaps then the next one to look at is going to be the WooCommerce stock. So we'll do the styling once we've finished all the items. So here in the WooCommerce stock, let's have a look and see. So there's no stock on the page. Refresh, and now we have the stock, and you'll see that it's different for products on sale. It'll say the last 6. It'll say 10 available if the stock is being managed for a normal product, and then it'll say in stock if the stock isn't being managed and it's just listed as always in stock. So we'll have a look at how to create those different messages for the website. So I'm going to head back to snippets then. And yeah, look forward to seeing you in the next video on the stock. Thank you for watching.